Circle. The set of points in a plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point is known as a circle. The set of points in a plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point is known as a circle. A circle having zero radius is known as a point circle. A circle having unit radius is known as a unit circle. Distance between two points, point A x1, y1 and point B x2, y2 is given by square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Equation of a circle with the center x1, y1 and radius r is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to r square. Equation of a straight line passing through x1, y1 and having slope m is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. The equation s equal to ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. To represent a circle, it has to satisfy the following conditions. Coefficient of square of the terms must be equal and not equal to 0. Coefficient of the term xy must be equal to 0. And radius of the circle must be greater than or equal to 0. The three conditions are satisfied by the equation. Then it is going to represent a circle with the center minus g by a comma minus f by a. Equation of a circle with center as origin and having radius r is x square plus y square equal to r square, and the equation is also known as standard equation of a circle. Concentric circles. Two circles are said to be concentric if they had same center. Let S1 and S2 are two concentric circles. If the equation of one of the circle is S1 equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, then the equation of other circle is given by S2 equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k, where k is an unknown constant. Note: the equation of concentric circles are differ by a constant. That is, entire equation of the circle remains same except the constant. Let us go through some of the examples on circles regarding the content that we have covered in this video. Example 1. Radius of the circle passing through point 6, 2 and 2 of the diameters are x plus y equal to 6 and x plus 2y equal to 4. Let us go through the problem. He asked us to find radius of a circle which is passing through point 6, 2 and 2 of its diameters are x plus y equal to 6 and x plus 2y equal to 4. If you are going to solve the diameters, you are going to get center of the circle. The distance between center and a point on the circumference is nothing but radius. Let us solve the diameters. X plus y equal to 6. That implies x equal to 6 minus y. Let it be equation number 2. X plus 2y equal to 4. Let it be equation number 3. By substituting equation number 2 in equation number 3, we are going to get the value of ordinate as -2. In the same way, if you are going to solve, you are going to get the value of abscissa as 8. The point of intersection of the diameters gives center of the circle, which is 8, -2. Radius of the circle is nothing but the distance between point C and P. Distance CP equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is root of 8 minus 6 whole square plus 2 plus 2 whole square equal to root 20. Root 20, which can also be written as a 2 root 5. Example 2. Equation of the circle concentric with x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 and having radius 5. Concentric circles will have same center but different radius, and the equation of the circle is differ by a constant. The equation of the circle concentric with given circle is given by x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus k equal to 0. By comparing the equation of the circle with general equation of a circle, 2g equal to -6, that implies g equal to -3, 2f equal to 4, that implies f equal to 2, c equal to k. Radius of a circle is given by r square equal to g square plus f square minus c. Radius of a circle is given as 5, r square is 25, 25 equal to g, the value of g is 3, g square 9 plus f square 4 minus k, that implies k equal to -12. By substituting the value of k in the given equation, the circle equation becomes x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. The concentric circles will have same center with a different radius, and the equation of a circle differ by a constant. Example 3. If the equation s equal to ax square plus by square plus a plus b minus 4xy minus ax minus by minus 20 equal to 0 represent a circle, then its radius is given by any equation to represent a circle. It has to satisfy three conditions. The conditions are: coefficient of square of the terms must be equal and not equal to 0. That implies a equal to b. Coefficient of the term xy must be 0. That implies a plus b minus 4 equal to 0. We know that a equal to b. Replace b as a plus a minus 4 equal to 0. That implies 2a equal to 4, a equal to 2, a equal to b equal to 2. By replacing the values of a and b in the given equation, we get the equation as 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 20 equal to 0. By dividing with 2 on both sides of the equation becomes x square plus y square minus x minus y minus 10 equal to 0. Comparing with general equation, 2g equal to -1, that implies g equal to -1 by 2. 2f equal to -1, that implies f equal to -1 by 2. And the value of c is -10. Radius of the circle is given by square root of g square plus f square minus r equal to square root of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 10. If you are going to sum up these, you will going to get square root of 42 by 4. By dividing, you are going to get the value of r as square root of 21 by 2. Equation of a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 20 at 2, 4. When you are finding tangent to a circle at a given point, make sure that the given point lies on the circle. If it does not lies on the circle, tangent at that point to the circle does not exist. To find tangent, you need to get passing through point and a slope of the tangent. To find slope of the curve at 2, 4, differentiate the equation dy dx of x square plus y square minus 20 equal to dy dx of 0. Differentiation dy dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. X square differentiation gives 2x and differentiation of x gives 1. 2x into 1 2x plus differentiation of y square gives 2y and differentiation of y gives dy by dx equal to differentiation of a constant is always 0. By substituting the value 2, 4 in the given equation, you are going to get dy by dx equal to minus 1 by 2. Equation of a straight line passing through 2, 4 and having slope minus 1 by 2 is given by y minus 4 equal to minus 1 by 2 times x minus 2. That implies x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Nearest point to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 20 equal to 0 from 8, minus 7 is by trial and error method. Let p equal to 8, minus 7 and option A BQ 5, minus 3. Find the distance between 2 points. That is PQ equal to 5 minus 8 whole square plus minus 3 plus 7 whole square equal to square root of 25. In the same way, repeat for the options B, C and D. You are going to get the distance between P and option B square root of 109, and in the same way for option C and 8, minus 7 is square root of 269. In the same way for option D is square root of 185. By observing, the smallest distance is square root of 25. That is 5, minus 3 is the nearest point to the circle from 8, minus 7.